Hello, my name is Eduardo Gonzalez. I'm the Director of Visual Development at Riot Games. Been in this industry for over 10 years. I want to introduce you to a class that I'm teaching at LAAFA, Los Angeles Academy of Figurative Art. The class is called Imaginative Worlds for Entertainment. My interests lie around storytelling and game development, trying to combine both of them, learning from the past and seeing how games and films can help you get lost into their world. I've always been really interested in creating a world with a team that people believe, that people get lost in. This class is kind of like an introduction to that. Everything that I've learned and picked up throughout the years, we'll bring it on the table and have fun with some of those techniques and introduce them into our work. We're going to use color, shape language, lighting, and throw it into some environments, characters, props, and weapons that we'll be creating in class, and unify them together so that we can create a believable world. By the end of this class, you should have created an environment, several characters that have an established look and a consistency to all, but that also feel very rich in culture and attached to their world.